Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Here showing you how to reset the oil service light on a Mercedes Sprinter van. This is the 3rd generation van, and this will work if you have this particular big screen here. This is a 2022 Sprinter van. However, this should work for 2019 plus, considering they're all the same generation. What you want to do is to get into the car, make sure you shut the door completely, and then you'll want to don't press the brake pedal, but just press this here button once. All the gauges should go like this. And now the next part is kind of finicky. I don't know, some people say hold it for 3 seconds, some people say hold it for 5 seconds. What I want to do is make sure you get everything off of the screen. This says refill additive, so I'm going to go on ahead and press the home button once to get rid of that message, and I'll press it again to get rid of the refill washer until I'm looking at this here. Now here comes the trick. Now you're supposed to hold this home button, I don't know, for about 3 or 5 seconds or so, and then press this track button. You can hear me scrolling through stuff. You're supposed to press the home button and then the track button. I wish I could give you guys a for sure answer on how long to hold it. I've just been kind of holding the home button and then pressing. I'll hold it for about 3 seconds or so and then press the middle button, and it keeps saying reset trip odometer. Obviously I don't want to do that, so there it is. So I held it for about 3 seconds there, and then I press the middle button. So I pressed and held this button here and then pressed that real fast. There's really like a small window of opportunity you have to get that. But anyway, once you get to the screen, it looks like this. You want to scroll down with the, with the little track pad here to where it says Assist Plus. So just scroll down to Assist Plus. I press this middle button to say OK. For Assist Plus, switch ignition on. So I'm going to go ahead and push this on button one more time, like so. Okay, once you've got the ignition switched on, you would, maybe if you're overdue, you would have a screen that came up before this that said, service whatever overdue. That's fine. Just press this trackpad to go past that, and you'll come up to this screen that says service data or full service. I'm going to go down to full service and click that and press the, I just press the trackpad to select it. Then I'm going to scroll down to confirm service and also press the trackpad again. And then here you would select what oil you used. If you knew what oil you used, you go on ahead and select that. I'm pretty sure I used, actually I'm not sure which grade I've used, but I'll double check that and click on it. Okay, so I used the 229.31, so I'm going to scroll down to that guy and press OK, and then it'll say service carried out, and I'll scroll down and say yes, and then I'll scroll down and say confirm, and now it's reset. So I just pressed the middle track button again, and now I'm just going to press the home button to get out of all of this, and it should bring me back out to where I need to go. So that's all there is to this. I'm going to go ahead and press the ignition button to turn everything off again, and you should be good to go. So if this video helped you out, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions about this, just hit me in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to help you guys out. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys next time.